Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So like I said to you all, I'm gonna get my nails done. So it's Wednesday and I have this event on Sunday, so I just came from work, so I'm heading to my appointment now to do my nails with BW Nails. Guys, she's this awesome nail tech and she's only 16. Yes, only 16. She did my daughter's nails as well just when the summer started. Lovely. So we are heading over to her place so that I can get my nails done. A little nervous because I don't normally get my nails done too often, but I figured I might as well get a little dolled up for this event. So let go. Beautiful Dominica, guys. Beautiful view. Let's get to those nails. I'm just done doing my nails. Guys, I am so impressed with how it turned out. You're not gonna see it properly, so I'll add a photo, or when I get home and I turn on the light, I will show it to you. But she is so amazing at doing nails, and she pays so much attention to detail. Oh my god, I love it.